Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning up these headlights. They've been sitting around the garage for a while. These are for the 83. So basically I just want to get them back on the car because it's ready for them and get them off the floor in the garage. If you guys have been watching my channel for any time at all, most of the projects I do, if I take something off the car, I'd like to put it back on the car in better condition. So whether it's painting it, powder coating it, cleaning it, whatever it is, I don't like putting crap back on that's nasty. So this one has some brackets on the top here that are going to be right on my radiator support. So I don't want to put these rusty brackets next to that freshly painted radiator support. So I'm going to be taking them apart. I'm either going to powder coat or paint them. Alright guys, so I got my brackets right here, and I'm using a little... Dude, no man, I'm trying to record. What are you doing? Take two. Alright guys, so here we are. I got my brackets here, and now I'm going to rub them down real nice and quick like. Alright guys, on these brackets that I've been stripping, I went ahead and used some paint remover, and I also was using the drill with the wire brush, and some of the areas are just hard to get to, so taking off all these clips, gonna clean them. Went to the store, and actually I bought this this 2-in-1 trim black that's from Transtar, and it was at O'Reilly's. It was $11.89. So that's for trim black. That's what I'm going to paint the bezels with, and I'll probably paint these with them too. I guess I don't know. I might powder coat them. I'm going to powder coat all this stuff though. So just need to finish cleaning them. I let this stuff sit on there for too long, and now I'm just getting back to it a couple days later. So anyways, I'll go ahead and speed this up for you guys. Alright guys, this is my powder coat setup here. It's pretty ghetto. I usually do a lot of Yeti cups and stuff, so that's what these stands are. I'm going to go ahead and clean these off with some acetone. Eastwood gun. I got some semi-gloss black Eastwood powder. I have to ground out the Eastwood powder coating machine on the actual metal here. And then I have a grounding rod for the ground. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and warm these up in the oven. Echo. Set a timer for 20 minutes. So this may be super hard to see, but I got the clips on here. Here, these little clips. I just slid them over a piece of cardboard. Take some wax and grease remover. The good thing about this, you can flip it over. And it's really easy to paint. Take the trim black. Now you can see maybe a little bit. Back on track here. There we go. Probably waste time, but alright guys, I got everything powder coated and painted, ready to go back on the headlight. So I think my introduction to this video, I was going through the footage and some reason my camera only recorded like 57 seconds of it, so I don't know what's up with that. So I'll just have to show you guys how it goes back together. Basically you got 3 brackets, a clip, and then your headlight bezel. Maybe right here. So the headlight bezel goes last. The first thing I'm going to do is put this back, and it goes right here. These screws you don't put in right now, but to hold this in place you got to put them in through here. So I'll show you that view here in a second. Let me get them threaded in. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever taken these apart and actually took these brackets off. So these are all adjustment. These aren't just like a mounting bracket, like these are adjustable. So basically headlight sits in the car like this. And what happens is if you don't have that bracket adjusted right, your headlight might be sitting up too high above the fender and the hood. So do this. Check out my view here. Okay, so that's the bottom side. So that's all just adjustable. So on the driver's side headlight, I put it back in the factory position, and then I had to go back and readjust these. So I'm putting these all the way down, tightening it up, and seeing what it looks like. And if I have to loosen it and raise it, that's what I'll do. But they're inside there, just like that. Go ahead and tighten those up. Okay. Flip it around. Remember, so I'm recording this video without actually going over any footage. I mean, I did go back and look and see what I had because I couldn't remember what I recorded. And my introduction to this video, oh my gosh, guys, this is getting annoying. So that video cut off at 2 minutes and 50 seconds, or not even, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm pressing something when I move the camera, but it's getting really old. So I'm not sure exactly where it cut off. 2 bolts right here. You want to tighten these all the way. Put this clip back on here. These bolts right here are the ones that have the springs on them. And you don't need to tighten these all the way down because you can adjust them on the car to fit the car. Only other thing was putting the headlight bezel. It only goes one way, so it's not really hard to mess that up. And you got T15 Torx bits. One right here and right there. One right here and one right there. So, sorry about that video cutting out. That's just getting old and starting to make me angry. So, if you guys know why it's doing that, yeah, comment below, because it has a mind of its own. There's not like any particular pattern to a certain time. It's sometimes it'll be a minute, sometimes it'll be 5 minutes or whatever. It's just turning off. So, and it has a full battery and plenty of memory. So, definitely not that. Obviously, because I'm still recording. So, anyways, I'll go ahead and put this baby on the car. All right, I'm gonna try to use this. Alright, I'm going to try to use this GoPro mount here and see if it doesn't make terrible noise when I move. But anyways, there's the finished product. The hood isn't shut because I don't have a latch installed on it yet, but actually a little dirty. But man, they look 10 times better. And of course the brackets and stuff. Just look. Everything just looks so much better. There's no rust anywhere. So if you guys have any questions on that, you can comment below. And that'll do it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you later.